Hey everyone, it's Brandy, and I'm back for another Microsoft 365 tips and tricks session for you. I'm going to show you how to turn your emails into calendar invites. Granted, this is not a new trick, but it is definitely one of my favorites. If you're like me, you often receive emails where you have back and forth conversations that can get kind of frustrating, especially if you're trying to work through these emails. This can also last hours, sometimes even over the span of a few days, when really a quick call would have saved you from having to weed through all of the extra emails in your already full inbox. And it only takes seconds. Once you have your email opened, click on the email you feel would be better resolved over a quick phone or video call. Drag and drop it in the calendar icon on the bottom left. A new screen opens up and all you have to do is update the meeting details. If you don't know the availability of the person emailing you, just use the scheduling assistant in the upper left-hand corner to help you. Once you've entered in all the details, click on the send button and you're good to go. So now when I meet with Sean, I do not have to go back and look through a bunch of emails because the email conversation is already within the invite. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day.